Good afternoon, guys, and this is a severe weather update on April 8th, Wednesday, 2015. We got an active situation ongoing for central and west central Indiana. These storms are really blossoming. Now, with this cell that I was looking at earlier, it's still sitting in the same area, but it's slowly moving out. Hail is starting to fall from this particular storm. Severe thunderstorm warning for this cell and the cell impacting Washington. The impacts from these storms are damaging winds, very large hail, very heavy rainfall. The hail with these storms are big enough to cause roof damage and damage to any type of vehicle out there. So if you guys are out on highways or interstates, if you guys are under these storms, pull over and wait till these storms pass. These storms are too dangerous to be driving in, especially when it's raining and extremely windy outside. Just for your safety, just slow down, pull over, and wait till the storms pass. We can't have any injuries or fatalities if they do occur, which is I don't think they're going to. But it is getting pretty active for central Indiana. Very, very heavy rainfall from this storm. I'll pause this one. This storm is dumping a lot of rain. This storm is severe thunderstorm warning and also a flash flood warning. As rainfall is falling between 1 inch to 2.5 inches, possibly maybe even 3 inches. I'm not so sure about that. You got more clusters of storms that just blossomed in East Illinois. Will be crossing the state line in the next, maybe 15-20 minutes at the most. You got small cluster of storms that the one west of Brownsburg, Indiana, and one over Speedway and Avon, Indiana, and about to impact Indianapolis. These storms right here are not severe warned. This may have a pea-sized hail with this storm, but I'm not too concerned about that. But the main storms that I am concerned about is these thunderstorms and these thunderstorms. And I want to talk a little bit about this supercell in Missouri. This is a tornado warned storm. If you see, it has a hook appendage to it. No reports of a tornado on the ground. May have to zoom it and just notice. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks like a hook echo has just formed. I have to check in with if that is a tornado warned storm. Yep, there it is. I see a hook echo with this storm. This storm is beginning to rotate as we speak. put the radar into motion for just a couple minutes. Okay, the severe thunderstorm warning for this has been allowed to expire, but this thunderstorm warning with this cell has been extended. Looks like that the storm is starting to take a lot of area now. I don't see any rotation with this cell. This storm right here is getting me a little confused because I can't tell if that is either a hook echo or I can't tell if that's either a hook echo or just, I don't know. It looks like a hook echo to me, if you guys can see. No, I do believe that there's rotation with this storm. This storm, it could possibly rotate something. I'll zoom closer in on this storm. Just updated. Now I am no longer seeing that hook echo that I thought I was seeing, but it looked pretty well defined to me. But I think the rotation wasn't strong enough to have a tornado warning with it. See, this is what I was talking about. This may look like a hook echo to me. I mean, there may be very weak rotation with this storm, but no severe warning or, well, there is a severe warning for this storm, but no tornado warning. But it sure looks like that a tornado is occurring, or a funnel cloud is occurring with this storm. This storm is also dumping very heavy rain, which it had a flash flood warning on it. If you guys look very closely, you see what it appears to be a hook echo. There may still be something very weak rotation with that storm, but no tornado warning on that storm. Things are getting pretty active here in Indiana. These storms are starting to line up. As for these storms, here in central Kentucky, south of Elizabethtown, these storms don't look all that impressive to me, but this storm right here really did caught my eye, because for a moment there I thought that I was seeing rotation with that storm, because I saw a hook echo, which I thought it was a hook echo. It looked like a hook echo to me. Look, you see that? I'm still trying to figure out if that's a hook echo or not. It's not letting me wind back. Oh, there we go. See that? Yep. I seriously think that was rotation. I seriously think that was a hook echo. I believe rotation was with that storm, but there was no tornado warning with that storm. That's probably because the rotation wasn't strong enough. For the duration of this video, I'll talk for a couple more seconds before I let the time run out on itself on this severe weather update. The atmosphere is pretty juiced up right now. We got an active 24 to 36 hours. After these storms roll through, you guys will think, oh, the worst is over. Actually, the worst is yet to come. Tomorrow has the potential to be a dangerous day, because there is a possibility that we could have tornadic supercell storms develop and potentially form into a squall line and move through Indiana sometime tomorrow. But clusters and individual storms are possible or likely, but they will certainly occur tomorrow during this potential